Hello, today I'm making ghee from unsalted butter and the brand name is Galia. So first I'll unwrap the ghee one, and the another one is this one. So this is the two unsalted butter. One is here and one is here. Okay, now first you have to get the high heat. Butter is almost melted. Look, so that time I have to give medium heat. So medium heat is done. This foam is coming. Look, this is foam. Actually, the butter separates into the three layers. This is the foam on the top. After this, the clear butter in the middle, and the bottom will be milk solids. When milk solids is browned, your ghee is ready. Need to keep stirring constantly to prevent it from burn. So I don't want burn. So now the foam has disappeared. So here is the butter only. So keep the stirring nicely. Look, this is ghee. So when it is a little bit brown, then your ghee is ready. It's become brown now. So my ghee is ready. So my ghee is ready.